Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Farinda from Make Money Online. Kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko, please click subscribe on my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for the video update. So guys, kindly watch my video below on how to make money online, product promotion, at iba pa guys. So kung meron pa kayong time, kindly watch my social media about my videos like Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, website, and Instagram. Okay guys, ang pag-uusapan natin tungkol po dito sa SFI. So ano ba yung itong SFI? So meaning po Strong Future International Marketing Group, SFIMG or SFIMG. So SFI, Strong Future International, everything you need to start growing a second income from home today. So guys, ito po ay isang affiliate program na pwede po kayong mag-sign up dito as a free. So, ayan po, grow a second income with the world's #1 affiliate program now in our 24th year. So, ito po, sign up free below kung hindi pa kayo naka-sign up o member dito sa SFI or SFIMG, Strong Future International Marketing Group. So, i-rank ko natin dito below or sign up here kung hindi kayo member pa dito. So, join SFI now, free here. So, madali lang po guys. Kindly fill up this form. Your first name, last name, country. Yan po, yan. Manon po ninyo yan, yung country na yan. And then, your password, confirm password, and email address. And then, pagkatapos yan, click started earning money with SFI. So, yan po. Madali lang po yan. Pagkatapos yan, kindly check out your email address. Iko-confirm po ninyo yan. Para po na maka-access direct to SFI program or your dashboard pag login po ninyo. So, SFI, ito po ay, again, ito yung #1 in the world's #1 affiliate program na pwede kayong kikita dito kahit pa man hindi kayo without money or capital, pwede kayo dito. Kasi po, pwede po ninyo gawin ito na kahit wala kayong pang kapital as a free. Depende po yan kung gusto ninyo mag-upgrade someday. But, as from now, you can, you can sign up here as a free only. So, ano ba yung reasons? There are 22 reasons why you love Isify. So, ayan po. Iano po natin yan. I-click po natin yan. So, marami po yan. So, I read this one para malalaman natin kung ano ba yung mga reasons kung why you will love Isify. So, ayan po yung #1, work from home, work from the comfort of your home or as you travel on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. So, ayan po, more than 100,000 quality goods and services from vendors worldwide. And then, start free, no obligation, and no purchase requirements ever. And then, can start earning money within hours. So, we take care of all orders, payments, shippings, and customer service for you. So, ayan po, this is the reasons why you will love SFI. So, this is thousands of SFI affiliates around the world earn commissions every day. No experience necessary, we train you free. Excellent long-term residual income potential. Earn money worldwide in over 200 countries. Learn and earn at your own pace. So, ayan po guys. So, SFI now in our 24th successful year, parent company's 38th year, compensation plan utilizes powerful, infinite debt dynamic, compression for maximum payouts, world-class 24/7 support and assistance, one of the fastest growing companies of its kind in the world, with exclusive worldwide growth projected for the next 10 years. Work with fellow entrepreneurs from all over the world for mutual success. Fun, fast, modern program built for the internet, and then a proven company that gets results every day, free customized for your websites, personal, one-on-one support available around the clock, continuous income cycling, earn 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Start fast with our cutting edge plug in and go marketing tools and programs. Deep free family owned company. So ayan po guys. So our rock solid track record since 1998. Na-launch po itong EC5. We've shown over 19 million men and women in more than 190 countries worldwide. How to create 24/7 income stream. Yesterday alone, 937 people from 97 different countries became affiliates. So ito po, accredited po ito sa business, the BBB rating A+. So ayan po, since January 2000 as of 18/12 in 2022, click for profile. So i-click po yan. I-click po yan natin yan. So maano po ninyo yung SFI, Better Business Bureau. Yung SFI, so kindly read this one. So by the way, I will be putting my link inside the description, and you will click this one or that link inside the description, and you can access here for this image, for this dashboard. So ayan po guys. So the secret to big commission is, what's the secret to our mammoth commissions payouts? In short, SFI has something for everyone, which makes online sales both lucrative and fun. Yes, as an SFI affiliate, you have over 100,000 goods and services to buy and sell, including products in more than 30 categories, a popular 24-hour Algebra online games, and our amazing money-saving Astro auctions. We also have an entire local vendor network, Local Bandia, allowing you to tap into monthly ongoing commission just for referring people, local restaurants, grocery stores, gas stations, and more. So try it free, no obligation. So i-click po ninyo this one, sign up free below. So ito po, makikita, kindly sign up this form if you are not member here in SC5. So ayan po, marami what others are saying. So marami po, read more testimonials. So ito po, there are two here inside the testimonial here. So, ayan po, I read this one. The other testimonial, what others are saying. I don't think anyone could go wrong with the superior training and support that EC5 freely offers to their affiliates, and the products are great too. Air USA. Wow, this program is the one that delivers everything that is see and more. So as Beverage Canada, I am constantly amazed at the power of ECFI. This is truly exciting, and the best part is that it's free to sign up. From Alright MIS USA, the ECFI programs works. I cannot recommend any other affiliate program more strongly. From Batis USA. So there are so many this testimonial. Can you rate this one? So I spent almost a year looking for the right opportunity. Then I found out about EC5. My search was over. EC5 had everything. I was looking for quality products, training, as support system and genuine opportunity. From G. Trotsky, MN USA. Business has been a joy. Get paid for playing the internet and helping others to do the same. From D. Tirado, MI USA. So there are so many testimonial here. So kindly read this one. It's inside this one also. If you want to read this one of others, what others are saying about SFI. So guys, that is about of my video how to grow as second income here in SFI. So if you are interested for my offer as a affiliate program, kindly sign up this one. So log this one below on how to sign up or click this one. Sign up free. By the way, again, I will be putting my affiliate link inside my description. Kindly click that one link and you can access this main page and you can register of this for how to become a ECFI member at the same time how to become to grow a second income as a affiliate program. So guys, thank you for your watching. And by the way, if you are a new here, kindly subscribe on my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for the video update. Someday, if I will be uploading another video, so kindly watch this and don't hesitate to message to my Facebook Messenger or kindly comment section below. So thank you for watching and bye for now.